Okay guys, for today's video is another unboxing. So we have here Samsung Galaxy A01. And this one guys, I got this for... It's really cheap. It's on clearance and they only got one. So still, I'm lucky enough to get this one. And now let's unbox. Oh wow, the best plans are simple. It says phone cannot be activated unless scanned at the register. Okay. There you go. Samsung Galaxy A01 5.7 HD plus screen, 16GB memory. I will only use this one for Wi-Fi, so... Oh my god. So we have this one for the charger. Quick reference guide. What else in here about your phone? This one I think is to open where are you gonna put this in? Samsung Galaxy model SMS111DLG. Androids. There you go. And this one is used to open here. Oh, it's like an iPhone. See, that's where you're gonna put the, I'm not sure if it's SIM card or a memory card. I love it. It's nice. See. Service provider update. Okay. Oh, it's low battery. Oh, there's no screen protector. Oh, what happened? So let's read this one. With reference guide. Camera, so it's in here. That one. And volume is at this side. Headphone jack. That one. Cameras. Another cameras in here. And then power lock. This one. this is where the SIM card is. This one. Charging port. So it's pretty nice. Let's see. So this is Samsung Galaxy A01.
A few moments later.
So this is it, guys, and I already set it up. So we're gonna check the photos that I took and the video as well. Let's see. So we have gallery. There. So this is the picture that I just took. And this is the video. Yeah, this is the video. I like it. The camera, the video, it's clear. See? And we have another picture here. This is nice. Let's try. Camera. See? Oh my god, it's clear. It's nice. What are the other features? We have the Facebook in there, it's already installed. So that's it, guys. It's nice. I love it. I like it. See? I don't know. I might just give this one to my nephew. They can use it for Wi-Fi. See? That's it, guys. Thank you so much.